Are you currently having problems with your Binance app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step solution to this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Binance app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, so come to this original settings app right here on your phone, on this original page right here. So now scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says general, as you can see. So click on general, scroll down again and click on storage in here. And now for some of you, this may take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to completely load this page. But now when it's done, just click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol, just search for Binance in here and select your Binance app, click on offload app, and once again click on offload app. And then you're going to click on the blue button here again. So basically what you're doing now is that you're forcing your Binance app to completely update to the latest version, which you need to be able to do to make sure that you can actually try to fix this issue. So I did this myself, and when it was done, I just went back into the app, and now it works for me now again. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.